What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about XRP in this video because I feel as though people are kind of losing hope from where XRP is and where it's planning to go, like where I believe it's going to go compared to what they're looking at. You may see it and you go, "All right, XRP looks dead. XRP looks like it's not going to move. XRP looks like you're just throwing money, into a well with no water or something like that. I don't even know if that analogy works. But the point is that you're just throwing your money to a place to where it's just going to get burned. And honestly, I understand where you're coming from. I've said this, time and time again that patience is key. Patience is definitely key here in this situation and in a lot of situations in investing. But when when people are getting into plays like this, I think, you have to have those type of people, honestly. And I'm not saying that you have to be one of them, but you have to have those type of people that maybe, kind of give up on that play a little bit, and it shows who believes in it more. It shows the strength that you can have within it because it takes time. Investments like this take time. And especially when you look at the fight that has happened with the SEC versus Ripple, like it just takes time. The whole entire thing just screams this means more than just a standard cryptocurrency. If it was any other cryptocurrency, right? If it was a meme coin, then you would probably have no thoughts to go, all right, well, then maybe we abandon this or maybe we don't get be a part of this. But this is something that can seriously be a part of society, a part of our normal lives. So with that being said, I want to talk about XRP. I want to talk about kind of what's next, the XRP ETF, RLUSD as well, and just give you kind of an understanding with that, right? What's the reality of the XRP ETF? What's the reality of these things affecting XRP or Ripple as a whole? So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, don't forget about the link for Margex in the description. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to do so. This is honestly a very good platform that I've been utilizing. You can see here I have 3 positions that are positive. The one that I made recently that I put over on Patreon, that's not really doing the best, but definitely is set up for success when it comes to a 5x leverage. You have a lot of room for a liquidation price, right? So it's a little below the $50,000 mark, which I believe we're going to see a bounce back up to 70 and 80 and some of those levels there. But the point is to have more of a quicker gain, kind of a set it and forget it type of situation. But the point is that Margex offers leverage trading, which you don't get in a lot of platforms. You get 5x leverage all the way up to 100x leverage if you want to. So feel free to check that out. The link is in the description. Now let's get into the reason why we are here, which is all about XRP. XRP stands at a level of 47 cents, 47.4 cents, and it is slightly down on the day. We're seeing the market cap at a 26.3, almost $26.4 billion market cap with $872 million worth of volume. The circulating supply, 55.6. They're supposed to add a billion every single month, so you know that there's some form of a dilution that's there. And if you look at the markets, obviously you know that it's available pretty much everywhere. You have Binance, you have Coinbase, you have Kraken, and you can get it in every single place. So it's not really a problem with volume. We know that. It's more of a problem with like staying power in people's brains, right? Where you see this play that's kind of staying the same and everything else is moving. So people get kind of concerned. They're like, what's going on? I want to know some news. And that's why I'm here, is to give you maybe clear your head a little bit, not necessarily tell you to hold on, because I'm going to do what I want to do and you could do what you want to do based on the information that you see and you hear. But I think you have to have some form of information before you decide to make one of those larger decisions to either get out of a play or go heavier on that play. Now, if you don't know, I don't think I'm going to be doing any specific videos on how much I do have, because some people say that I'm kind of just I don't know if I'm rubbing it in or what I'm looking. I'm telling people how much I have, and they're like, oh well, you're just kind of rubbing it in my face on how much you have and how much I don't, right? And I'm not trying to do that. I'm literally just doing it to say, sorry for the coughing, that I believe in this project a lot, and I've said that, and I'm showing that with my actions, and that's the reason why I put out those videos. But recently am looking to gather 100,000 XRP. But if we look at XRP here and we look at this article talks about the bright future for XRP, and really talking about the stablecoin and the ETF. That's kind of what I wanted to get into a little bit here. So why RLUSD is important. Monica Long addresses the introduction of RLUSD, Ripple stablecoin designed to complement, not compete with XRP. RLUSD aims to support growth in DeFi and institutional adoption. Ripple's acquisition of standard custody strengthens RLUSD by managing its reserves. Moreover, Ripple has actively involved in tokenizing real-world assets on the XRP ledger in collaboration with Arcix. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This initiative has garnered attention from major financial institutions like BlackRock and JP Morgan, indicating growing confidence in Ripple's technology among Wall Street giants. Now that tells you a bunch of different things, right? Obviously, with the confidence and ending that with the confidence in their technology with BlackRock and JP Morgan, and also they have partnerships with banks and everything there. It just kind of tells you, oh, you know what, everything that Ripple is doing, it spews a bunch of confidence. It spews modern technology. But then you also have the stable coin where people think that things are competing, right? Are you competing with XRP? And you're not competing with XRP. You're bringing something alongside of it, and something that has its own type of activity that can happen there. But different exciting things that are coming for XRP. So moving on, Monica Long has also expressed her optimism about the potential for an XRP ETF, highlighting the regulatory clarity that both XRP and Bitcoin enjoy in the US. This regulatory certainty positions XRP favorably for broader institutional adoption, contrasting with ongoing legal tension with the SEC over the past issues. Now, what this tells you is the fact that other people are also believing that XRP ETF is imminent, right? It's going to happen. It's just, when is it going to happen? Are we going to see it after we get full clarity? Because XRP by itself has the clarity that it needs. Bitcoin has clarity just by word of mouth, right? By saying that it's not a security. XRP truly has that clarity legally to say that XRP is not a security and will not be a security, right? Other things still have that opportunity to have a battle to say whether it is or it isn't. XRP is the only thing that does actually have clarity. Now, after Bitcoin, after Ethereum, what comes next? Do you see, XRP as that ETF? Do you see, Solana or whatever, right? You have the top cryptocurrencies that are right there to say these can be an ETF, these should be an ETF. So in my mind, it's happening, right? It's just, when is it going to happen, right? Is it right afterwards or whatever, right? So let me know your opinion on if you believe it's going to happen or you believe it's not going to happen. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's everything you really needed to know right now with XRP. Just more people that are confident in what Ripple has to offer, what XRP has to offer, and also talking about this overall mindset of getting that adoption or getting that belief in a project like XRP with ETF, right? With an ETF that can come on, or multiple ETFs. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Again, if you guys want to check out my link from Margex, that link will be down in the description. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.